Oh my god. Oh my god! No, it's gonna be something not so bad. It's gonna be not so bad. What? No! We're canceling this wheel! No! 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 It's I've done this wheel for years, and it's never done this. Okay. Let's be reasonable here. One more spin, and this is surely it, guys. No, we're not doing this. We're not doing this. This would ruin the stream. This would ruin the stream. This would ruin. I'm not adding 36 new emotes out. I'm not. I don't even have 36. Good girl.
Say it like you're praising Rena or Momo.
Oh no, I know what you mean, but I don't wanna. Oh my god. No, that's it. That's it. That's your one and done, because I already wrote it down. All right, what's number 2? Here's the catch. I'm only doing one take of all of these, all right? I'm only doing one take of all of these. Oh, wait. No. That's not it. Fuck you. Kumi ready for sex in your area. Click this ad now. Did it get cut off by the sound alert? I think it got fucked by the sound alert. Good luck. I'll put that there. Good luck clipping that. Wait, it can't be that long. Can I get my mods to record these sound effects? I feel like it's like narcissistic to just have sounds of myself. I'm gonna be cringing so hard. So do you want a crying one? Where? Is it working? Is it working? Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. This is so bad! Clappy? Okay, how do I? Okay, it's really fast. Okay, everybody send Clappy so I can match the rate. Was that good? My face hurts from laughing and smiling. Stop moaning! Stop moaning! Okay, stop. It's not funny. It's not funny!
No.
It's not funny! Can you stop? I'm trying to do something just for a second. Good girl. No. Oh, my face hurts so much from like laughing and shit. This is so bad. Stop being so funny. How about we do yippee for the yippee emote?
24 hours of Kumi. Well, I guess Heavenly has 24 hours alone with your mum. Kumimum, if you're here, we'll keep Kumi busy. You go have fun.
Ban them! Yippee! Is that good? Wait, can we do gulp? Gulp? That sounded like Goofy! That sounded like Goofy! Wait! Just creepy, heavy, just deep breath. Just breathe deeply. I just spit everywhere. Oh no! I spit all over my monitor! Stop! Ew, no, I don't like that! That one's gonna be bad! I added it.
I will try my best to stay up for all 24 hours with my energy drinks and caffeine. What's the safe limit?
Why
Doesn't
not?
matter. We've all
Why not? I'm fucking scared! Oh my god. This is horrible. It sounds like Goofy. I really like that one, dude. It's so good. Fuck you. No! That's too... No! That's like... No! No! That needs... Oh my god, you know what that needs to be? That needs to be the blush, but it has the middle fingers on either side of it. That's... Can't contain. What would can't contain sound like? No! Welcome to the 24-hour stream, everybody! Okay, shorter? Wait. That's just another moan! That's just another moan! We're not keeping that! We have to redo that one! It's that one's supposed to be like irritated. Good girl. Fuck you. Good girl. Good girl. Oh my god, it's kind of like, oh my god. It's a helicopter! I'm giving you 15 minutes. You have 15 minutes more of this shit. And then that's all you get. Don't yippee. Fuck you. Wah. This is gonna be a long stream. Get it? Ah! Okay, we have a pre-recorded suggestion for Freaky. That is not... That is not Freaky sounds. It sounds like she's saying it to herself.
W Maya,
Maybe we should change. Oh, but now what about all the other mods? What about all the other ones? No, I don't care, actually. Okay, how do I do it? Wait, no, it needs to be longer than that. That's too short. That was just like one E, but I need like a hee. Okay. E. Can we add that as just E? E. Hold on.